Hi everyone, my name is VK and this is my channel. In today's video, I want to bring your attention to a fact. If there's anything that the previous 3 years has taught all of us, I mean the year of the pandemic followed by inflation, that is, being able to remotely do whatever you do to make money is the right move going forward. Being able to work from the comfort of your home has become a necessity. And one of the things you can do, which will allow you to work remotely from home if you want, is being an affiliate for products and services. So in this video, I'm going to help you get started with your affiliate marketing business. Or if you are already an affiliate marketer and you are not making any sales with your affiliate marketing business. So the question that I'm going to answer in this video is this. What should you be doing as an affiliate marketer to make sure that you will be successful and change your financial situation this year? That's the topic. And that's why I urge you to watch every second of this video. That's why you should know that it is in your interest to stay around and watch every second of this video. Something you may not know about is that you and I together are going to learn how to be successful affiliate marketers in a free training that's taking place in a few hours. I'm going to give you the detail in a few minutes. But first, if you are an affiliate marketer, what are the things that you should be doing every single day to make sure you will be successful with your business? I know a lot of people, and I've done it myself, when they join an affiliate program and grab their affiliate links, what they do is to send traffic directly to the affiliate website or to promote the naked link given to them by the product owner. And I won't think twice before I say this way of doing affiliate marketing is bad. So if you want to be successful with your affiliate marketing business, first, you should be using a capture page, also called an opt-in page or a squeeze page. That's the first page you send people to and ask for their email addresses in order to give them information. That's where you collect email addresses to follow up with those people. Because what you may not know is this. If you send 100 people to your capture page so they can act and enter their email addresses to see or to receive the link to your product, only 1 or 2 of those who took action, those who entered their email addresses, only 1 or 2 of them will buy your product. The other 98%, if not 99%, will leave your page without taking any action. That's why those who are successful with affiliate marketing, they capture lead first before they send their visitors to the sales page. So if you and I, we are on the same page here, the first activity that you should be doing as an affiliate marketer is to build a capture page for your products and services that you promote. Remember, I just talked about a free training that's going to take place in a few hours. During that training, Igor will show you how to build capture pages, which means that you shouldn't be worried at all about this step in the process if you are planning to attend the training. The same way, what you are going to write on that capture page is not your concern because we are going to cover those in the training. Now, before we get to that, the second thing that you should be doing as an affiliate marketer is to email your list. Remember that we said in the first step that you should build a capture page to collect your visitors' emails, and you should do that before you send them to the sales page, right? When you collect those email addresses, you need to send to them emails, and that should be every day. You should be doing that on a daily basis. And the objective here is to try to convert some of those 99% who did not take any action on the sales page right after they entered their email addresses. Typically, if you do it right, an additional 2 to 5% of those will give you money. Here again, you shouldn't be worried about how to write emails or how often to send emails to your subscribers or when you should be emailing your list, because those are covered in the free training that I just announced, and I will give you the link to the 301k challenge free training in a few seconds. Now, if you build your capture page and you set up the emails that will be going out on a daily basis to your subscribers, which means the system is ready, the next activity that you should be doing as an affiliate marketer is to drive traffic. We are talking here about people who will visit your capture page, those who will enter their email addresses to see the product that you are selling, those who potentially will give you money. Those people, where do you find them in the first place? They can come from Facebook, from Instagram, from Twitter, or from YouTube. Depending on what you choose to do, there are two ways to drive traffic to your offers. You can either use a free traffic or pull out your wallet to use a paid traffic. The free option is the one that I'm doing right now, which is driving traffic from YouTube by posting videos. The second option, which is a paid one, will allow you to drive traffic from Facebook, from Instagram, from YouTube. You will just have to pay for it, or to buy email traffic, usually called solo ad. This last one, buying email traffic, is my favorite because it's fast, it's cheap, it's beginner friendly and convenient. By the way, if you are already an affiliate marketer, if you already have a product that you are promoting and you need traffic, you need people to see what you're selling and buy from you, you can go to vmkclick.com to learn more about how I can help you drive fast and high quality email traffic to your offers. If you don't know how to drive traffic, where to drive traffic from, whether you should be using the free option or the paid option, I'm inviting you to attend the free training that's taking place in a few hours. It is hosted by Igor Kheifets, the founder of Igor Solo Ad and the List Building Lifestyle Club. We call it the 301k challenge. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, if you want to be successful with your business, if you want to start and scale your affiliate marketing business, make sure to use the first link in the description of this video to attend the free training. It's happening in a few hours and Igor is going to show you what to do, how to make money working from the comfort of your home. Again, the training is taking place in a few hours and the first link in the description of this video will take you there. As always, don't forget to have a great rest of your day. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It never costs you anything, but truly makes a huge difference for my channel. Also, remember to go get the link to my recommended program down below in the description. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you back here on Monday or Friday. Anytime I'm not posting here, I will be on my second channel. So make sure you are subscribed to both. Link in the description. Take care.